Hello everyone, welcome back to AMAGAMA, the home of African names. We are back with another episode on those beautiful, soft yet meaningful Xhosa names. Without further ado, let's jump in. We are kicking things off with a name that radiates contentment, and that is the sweet and affirming Anezwa. Anezwa. Next in line, we have a name that will inspire strength and determination throughout your baby's life, and that is the uplifting Azingise. Azingise. Our next name is a heartfelt message of love. Ayamthanda. Ayamthanda. Moving from a message of love to a message of light, we've got the smooth and radiant Akhanyise. Akhanyise. Next up, we've got the bold and spiritual Azukise. Azukise, which carries the meaning glorify God. Let's turn to Azuzile. Azuzile, a name that means we have gained. It beautifully affirms just how precious and wanted the child is. Next up, we've got Anenkosi. Anenkosi, a name that proudly declares we have a king. Akhokuhle is next on the list. Akhokuhle. Akhokuhle is a meaningful name that will inspire your child to leave a positive mark on the world. Asiphuhle is our second last name. Asiphuhle. It's a name that will inspire your child to drive progress in the family or community, and it will definitely instill a sense of purpose. The last name is the short yet meaningful Alikho. Alikho. The name declares the greatness of God. It could mean Alikho elinye iliwa, meaning there is no other rock. It could also mean Alikho elinye igama, meaning there is no greater name than God's. And that's a wrap. Please do like the video and comment below. Tell us what's your favorite Xhosa name. Till the next one.